In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the 7 key features that the studio version of DaVinci Resolve has that the free version doesn't. The actual list is much bigger, but I thought these 7 would be the most important for those wanting to learn Resolve or are just trying to figure out whether or not the free version is good enough or should they upgrade to Studio. Here's a game changer in Resolve that saves me hours: text-based editing. Basically, Resolve transcribes your dialogue and lets you edit your timeline just by cutting text. No more hunting through clips, just highlight the words you want gone, and poof, they're out. This is huge for long talking head videos, podcasts, or interviews. You can also search for words, jump to the spot of the video, and instantly trim the fat. If you're making YouTube content regularly, this feature alone may be worth the price of the upgrade. Let's talk about the brain behind Resolve Studio: the neural engine. This is where all the AI magic happens. It powers facial recognition in your timelines, better auto color matching, and the buttery smooth speed warp slow motion. If you've ever had jittery footage when slowing down 24 frames per second, the neural engine fixes that. It also helps auto-detect scenes, match grades between clips, and even recognize objects for smarter masking. The best part? It just works in the background while you're editing. The magic mask kind of sounds like a Marvel thing, and it kind of is. It uses AI to isolate people or objects in your footage. If you want to blur a background or color grade just your face, instead of manually masking frame by frame, Magic Mask tracks it automatically. It's insanely helpful for YouTube creators who want to do punch-ins, product highlights, or clean cutouts without rotoscoping. And it works surprisingly well. Just draw a stroke over the subject and let the AI take over. Hey, if you're getting value out of this, do me a favor and hit that like button and share it with someone, and make sure that you're subscribed so that you don't miss out on the next video. All right, let's jump back into it. You don't need perfect lighting if you've got great noise reduction. Resolve's advanced noise tools give you both spatial and temporal cleanup, meaning it removes grain and flickering while keeping your footage sharp. This is next level stuff, especially if you film in low light or on budget gear. In the color tab, just open the noise reduction panel, dial in your settings, and watch your footage go from noisy to pro in seconds. It's subtle, but it makes your videos feel way more polished. Want the classic cinematic vibe? Studio 19's Film Look Creator lets you add authentic film grain, halation, and even subtle flicker, just like old school motion picture stock. YouTube's full of polished content, but this gives your videos texture and style. You can go clean or moody, emulate Kodak or Fuji, whatever fits your vibe. It's all under the color tab in Studio. Great for storytelling, moody B-roll, and just standing out from the sharp, detailed crowd. One of my favorite parts of the Studio upgrade is the extra effects. You get over 100 GPU accelerated tools, including pro-level blurs, glows, analog, damage, flicker, lens distortion, and stylized looks. These aren't gimmicky, they're the kind of effects that add subtle polish and punch to your edits. Studio gives you massive headroom, up to 32K resolution and 120 frames per second. Let's be real, most of us don't need that for YouTube. But if you're doing slow motion, oversized footage for crops, or future-proofing your work, it's a nice bonus. Great for short films, client work, or B-roll you might use for years. With knowing those 7 features, hopefully that helps you decide whether or not you need the free or studio versions. My opinion is that if you are just starting out learning any type of video editing, the free version is more than enough for what you need. But if you're coming from a different platform or even thinking about jumping up from the free version, the studio version, in my opinion, is well worth the investment because it gives you a much faster workflow and all the tools at your fingertips. Also, I'm curious, are you sticking with the free version or upgrading to Studio? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to read and see what you guys have to say. Until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next video.